It is 20th of April on a Wednesday. Time is 12:52 p.m. in Singapore itself. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trade analysis video. Alright, so today we're going to touch on the few same currency pairs except for one additional pair, that's Australian dollar against US dollar. Although in fact I did share yesterday. Alright, so it's going to be the same currency pairs. So let's kick off with the dollar against the Japanese yen again. But instead of going to the bigger time frame, which you have already know what's happening right there, let's talk about the 4-hourly charts. We've seen that the dollar yen has appreciated further, and it has broke above the key resistance level. Oh, let me change this line. It has broke above the key resistance level at the price of 108.96. Alright, it's actually somewhere slightly higher. It's a 109. It's about 109 flat, or 109.05, because there's a key resistance, turn support level, and there was a magic candle, reversal candle that forms right at the level itself, but it failed to form its confirmation. Therefore, it begins to fall. So it begins to appreciate further, broke above, but right now it came down again. Alright, so and right now we have seen that the price has formed a lower high, slightly closer to the equal high. But then again, what we are seeing right here is the market is moving sideways. So right now it is at the upper band of the sideways movement. Therefore, it gives opportunity to go for the sell. So into the 15-minute charts, we can see the current structure that we have right here do suggest the price will fall further with lower highs formed right here, and therefore, and of course also at the same time resisted by a falling trend line. Alright, though we don't give too much weight to trend line in the 15-minute charts. Anyway, we will be looking for sell opportunity as the price retraces closer to the falling trend line itself. And for conservative purpose, if you were to go for the sell, you may want to set your stop loss above the resistance level right here, the highest right here, the major resistance at 109.43. Alright, excuse me. So as for the dollar against Japanese yen, quickly let's move the dollar against the Swiss franc into the day chart. Alright, of course we always know that there was a rising trend line and it has been broken. Alright, so therefore the price has turned bearish in a sense. So recently the price has already retraced back to the bottom of the previously broken falling trend channel, slightly a little bit away, and was resisted, and therefore it's right now currently beginning to depreciate. Into the 1-hourly chart, price is currently forming another lower high. In fact, it has been quite a bit. So it has been guided by a falling trend line as well towards a depreciation. So here it is. Alright, and therefore we can actually look for the sell opportunity as it retraces back to the trend line, which it is about to touch right now. But we will also like to take note of the previous resistance level here. Alright, you can see that is the previous resistance. Price is coming back to this level, came down, waiting for the price to retest the level, which coincides together with the falling trend line, and then to look for the sell. So that is for the dollar against the Swiss franc. Next, we have the euro against US dollar. In the in the weekly chart. Alright, just a quick recap. Price is at the major resistance in the weekly chart. We have seen magic candle confirmation that signals for the price to fall. But however, the price recently, based on this candle itself, has been appreciating. So into the 4-hourly chart, price has broken above a key support turn resistance level at the price of 1.4043. Sorry, it's not 1.4043, it's 1.1344. Alright, so we were actually waiting for an opportunity to go for a sell. In the 1-hourly chart, you can see that magic candle has formed, but then it failed, so it broke above. It's signaling the price to appreciate further. So we will be waiting in the 4-hourly chart for the price to appreciate all the way and retest the major major resistance level at 1.1443, and to look for the sell. Alright, take note that that is the major major resistance level. So that is for the euro against the US dollar. Next we have the pound against the US dollar in the 4-hourly chart. What happened is that there was a consolidation that's happening right here, and the price has broke above the consolidation, breaking above the top, the falling trend line. Therefore, signals the price will resume appreciation. So into the 15-minute chart, we are waiting. Let me just remove this. We will be waiting for the price to retrace a little bit further to go for the buy opportunity. And preferably, we are waiting for the price to reach 1.4364, which is it has reached. Alright, so you want to go for the buy at this junction, expecting the price to appreciate further. If I were to talk about major resistance, that would be at the price of 1.4601. So that is for the pound against the US dollar, and next we have the euro against the pound into the weekly chart, or rather the monthly chart. Sorry, I'll be looking at the weekly chart instead. I have adjusted the falling trend line, the falling trend channel, and realize that, right, so there's a channel, it connects very well, and do realize that the price has actually reached the top of it. Previously it was connected right to this point, therefore it looks a little bit higher, but after I have readjusted it, it has actually reached the top, and the confirmation of a major retracement, so a major reversal, is further enhanced in the small time frame, the 4-hourly charts, where we have a very key support level right here, a resistance support level. Price came down, failed to rebound higher, came all the way down again, retest, and breaks below. At the same time, it also breaks below a rising trend line. So it has been enhanced and enhanced again, that the price has, or rather is already in the process of a major reversal from the top of a falling trend channel that's based in the weekly charts. Therefore, in the 4-hourly chart, we are waiting for the price to retrace back to the previous key support level at the price of 0.7927 to look for a sell opportunity. That's pretty straightforward. Alright, you may want to just think of this trend line itself. So that is for the euro against the pound, and then let's move on to the Australian dollar against the US dollar into the weekly chart. What I want to show you again, I think I mentioned that yesterday, is that there is a falling trend channel as well in the past, and price has broke below the top, the bottom of the falling trend channel all the way down, and right now we are seeing that the price has been appreciating for weeks and weeks, and it is about to reach the bottom of the previously falling trend channel that's been broken below. And if you look further a little bit, we do realize that over here, the high right here is a major resistance, right, installation upwards. So we connect this point to this point and to this point. So it does shows that the price at 0.81 is a very significant price for the price to resume depreciation. Alright, so in this region and in between, so there will be the price between 0.8033 to 0.8100 will be the zone that we'll be looking for a major sell, as that will be the level that the Reserve Bank of Australia Governor Stephen may no longer be able to sustain the strengthening of its currency value all the way to 80 cents, and they might just decide to cut rates at the point of time. Alright, so that's for the Aussie against US dollar, and with that I have come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow.